Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reach 100 fame on the TFT game. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC that contains the Riot client and the TFT, of course. If you don't have the Riot client already downloaded into your PC, you'll have to go and open whatever browser you're using. Brave here and my example, of course, you can just go and type download Riot client. And once it's downloaded, you will have to install it and open it up. Once it's opened, you will normally find yourself with this home screen or main screen, and here you will normally find the games that you already installed or downloaded into your PC. Of course, if you don't have the Teamfight Tactics already downloaded, you will have to scroll down a bit until you find your old games. Click on Teamfight Tactics and make sure to install it from here. Of course, you'll have the option of playing it on your phone if you want. On Android, you can download it from Google Play. On App Store, you can download it, or on iPhone, you can download it from App Store. And of course, on your games, you can play it on your League of Legends. If you download the right client, you can do that. So once you're here, of course, you can just go. Once you download it, of course, you can just go back and open your Teamfight Tactics from here. Then open the game, go and find the matchmaking, and once you found one, of course, and you enter the game, you'll normally find yourself on a something like that. So of course, if you want to reach 100 fame, the first thing that you would like to do, of course, let's just go into a browser because that will take a long time. And of course, fame. Let's let's type here 100 fame on TFT. Sorry, TFT. And of course, as you can see, get 100 fame in TFT matches on Reddit here. So for people who don't know, first 100 fame is just a mission on TFT, and as you can see, people saying here on Reddit it's so hard to get. But of course, if you want to get it, you can just go and open a new tab and type, as you can see here, TFT best comp. Hit the enter button. Make sure to go to the first link, and we'll just wait until this link's open, and here you will have to collect one of those is your comps. Just go and open one comp and collect their champions, and you will be able to reach the 100 fame as soon as possible. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.